Good morning, students. So in last video or in last videos we was discussed about push down automata and how to construct push down automata for different types of languages. So and one more thing is whatever the concepts we was discussed in push down automata. So that means how to construct push down automata for different types of languages till now. Those all are deterministic push down automatas. Why? Because from any state, not only from Q0, not only from Q1, from any state on specific input combination. So that is input is either A and top of the stack is any specific one, either A, either B, either empty, either Z0. Then we can perform only any specific operation. That means only single operation, either push operation, either pop operation, either no operation, either accept. So that means we are not performing till now based on single input. More than one operation was not performed. So whenever we perform from any state on specific input having more than one path or more than one transition, then we can say that that particular push down automata is a non-deterministic push down automata. So that means, for example, from Q1, when read input is A, then it can perform the push operation and also perform the pop operation. That means on specific input it contains more than one transition or more than one operation. Then such type of push down automatas is known as the non-deterministic push down automata. So now we consider one example for how to construct non-deterministic push down automata. So now the question or the language is construct push down automata that recognizes even length palindrome. Construct push down automata for the language L equals to W power R such that W belongs to A comma B whole closure. So that means here W is a string and W power R is the reversal of the string. So total length of the W and W power R is must be even. For example, consider either W equals to AB, then W power R is BA, then total length is 4. Either we consider W equals to AAB, then W power R is BAA, then total length is 6. So that's why we say that that particular language is a even length palindrome. So that particular string can be reversed, then also which is equivalent to the same string and their length is even. So that's why we can say that constructing push down automata for even length palindrome. Already we was discussed this type of model in previously. L equals to W C W power R. So here the total length of this language is must be odd. Why? Because in the place of W we consider anything, the reversal is W power R. So till now that length is even and in between we are using the some separator indication C. So that's why total length is odd obviously. So then the total length is odd. So that's why, so here this particular language is considered as a even length palindrome. In case L equals to W C W power R, then we can say that that particular language is odd length palindrome. Why? Because total length is odd. And this question is also asked either construct PDA to recognize the even length palindrome, otherwise construct PDA for the language L equals to W power R and W is the string of AB, and either construct non-deterministic PDA also. So construct non-deterministic PDA for the language W power R. Why we are called this particular language related PDA is non-deterministic, we will discuss in ID section, instantaneous description session. So now we observe how to construct push down automata for this type of languages. So when we read either input is A or B, then we can perform the push operation and the top of the stack is empty. So that means beginning of the input symbol is either A or B, then we must perform push operation. So actually this type of languages, we identify what is the middle of the string, and up to middle of the string we can perform the push operation. After middle of the string we can perform the pop operation. So that's why when we read either A or B, then we perform the push operation. After completion of the first half of the string, then when we read either A or B and the top of the stack is same, either input is A and top of the stack is A, then perform the pop operation. Either input is B and top of the stack is B, then also perform the pop operation. So this is the way of implementation of push down automata for this type of languages. But here why we are saying this particular push down automata is a non-deterministic push down automata? Why? Because here there was no separate indicator to indicate first half of the string is completed. So that's why just we assume in case first half is completed, then perform the pop operation. In case first half is not completed, then we perform the push operation. That means there are two possible operations for the same input combination. That's why this type of language or this type of PDA is known as the non-deterministic PDA. So now these are the IDs for this particular language. IDs for this particular language. So from initial, so for first input symbol is A and top of the stack is Z0, then perform the push operation. In case first the string is starting with B, so that means either B A B in the, and then either B, the reverse A B. So in this manner, starting with B, so then also perform the push operation. Input is B, top of the stack is Z0, so then also perform the push operation. In case from input is B, from initial state input is B and top of the stack is A, then also perform the push operation. In case input is A and top of the stack is B, then also perform the push operation. And now observe clearly, in case input is A, top of the stack is A, so and here that particular input symbol is in case before the first half of the string, then we perform the push operation. In case after first half of the string, then we perform the pop operation. Here we observe input symbol and top of the stack both are same for these two operations. Both are same input symbol, same top of the stack, but that particular symbol is occur before first half of the string, then perform push operation. After first half of the string, then perform the pop operation. So to decide is it the first half of the string or second half of the string, there was no separate indicator like C or any other symbol. So that's why here the possible operations is both, multiple operations was possible for same input and top of the stack combination. So that's why this particular PDA is known as the non-deterministic push down automata. Why? Because for input A it was having one push operation, one pop operation. So that's why this type of push down automata is known as the non-deterministic. At the same way, input is from current state Q0, input is B, top of the stack is B, and input is B and top of the stack is, here also we perform the multiple operations. One is push operation, another is pop operation for the same state and same input and top of the stack combination. That's why this PDA is known as the non-deterministic. After that, in case we are at Q1 and input is A and top of the stack is A, then perform pop operation. Input is B, top of the stack is B, then perform the pop operation. In case from Q1 input is A, top of the stack is B, that means that particular string is not a palindrome, then only that type of combination will be possible. So that's why there was no need to declaring such type of transitions. And finally from Q1 when read input is del and top of the stack is Z0, then it will be accepted. So this is the transition diagram for current language even length palindrome. From initial state input is A, top of the stack is Z0, perform push operation. Input is B, top of the stack is Z0, then perform push operation. Input is A, top of the stack is A, then also perform the push operation. Input is B, top of the stack is B, then perform the push operation. At the same way, input is A, top of the stack is A, then perform pop operation. Input is B, top of the stack is B, then perform the pop operation. So this one and this one, both are same. For same combination, we are going to Q0 and Q1. For specific input symbol, it was having more than one transition to Q0, another transition to Q1. That's why we says that this particular PDA is a non-deterministic push down automata. At the same way here also, input is B, top of the stack is B. Here we perform the push operation and here we perform the pop operation. Input is B, top of the stack is B, then perform the pop operation. So that means for single input it was having more than one operation. That's why we say that this PDA is a non-deterministic PDA. And at the same way, whenever input is A and top of the stack is B, then perform push operation. Whenever input is B and top of the stack is A, then also perform the push operation. So once we reach Q1, when we read either input is A, top of the stack is A, both are same, then perform the pop operation. Input and top of the stack both are B's, that means both are same, then perform the pop operation. In case from Q1 either input is A and top of the stack is B can occur, that means that particular string is not a palindrome. So that's why there was no need of constructing such type of transitions here. And from Q1 when read end of the input and top of the stack is Z0, then it will go to accepted state. So now we consider some example string and perform the simulation. So now we consider some string W is equals to ABA, then total L is equals to, sorry, here this is L, so L equals to ABA. So that means this is W and this is W power R, so that means reverse of the W. So this is the WABA, the reverse is also ABA, so this is L equals to W power R. Total string is a palindrome string from reverse, that means from reverse A B A B A. From beginning A B A B A, so from both directions same string. That's why we say that this string is a palindrome and the total length of the string is even. That's why we are saying that even length palindrome. Now we observe how to perform the simulation or tracing for this particular string. From initial state the total string is ABA. From this current input is A and top of the stack is Z0, so which is in the form of some ID1, Q0, input is A, top of the stack is Z0, then perform push operation. That's why A will be pushed into the stack. At the same way, current state is Q0, input is B and top of the stack is A, then perform push operation. So that's why stack contains B, A. So previously A, now recently we are pushing B into stack, that's why BA. Next, input is Q0 and top of the stack is input is A, from Q0 input is A and top of the stack is B, so then also perform the push operation. That's why previously stack contains BA, recently we perform push A, so that's why ABA. Next, from Q0 input is A, top of the stack is A, so this combination having two operations Q0 A. So in case this symbol is fourth symbol, the 1 2 3 fourth symbol, that means first half is completed, that's why we perform the pop operation. In case the same combination occur either here or here, then we perform push operation. So whenever we are reading input from current state Q0, input is A, top of the stack is A, then we again check that particular symbol is first half of the string or second half of the string. Based on that we perform the either push or pop operation. In case that particular symbol is occurred first half of the string, then we perform the push operation. In case second half of the string, then we perform the pop operation. So that's why here we perform the pop operation. That means top of the stack A will be popped from the stack, then remaining is BA. And go to next state Q1. So from Q1 input is B, top of the stack is B, so perform the pop operation. So here this B will be popped from the stack, then remaining is AZ0. And next, from Q1 input is A, top of the stack is A, based on ID9 we perform the pop operation. That's why this A will be popped from the stack. Here stack is empty and end of the input, current input symbol is also nothing, end of the input. That's why this string is accepted by the push down automata. So this is the process of constructing push down automata for the even length palindrome or non-deterministic push down automata. So thank you.